मैम सी का
ठीक है. So here for now we have already seen the questions from A to C, okay, with mean 72 and standard deviation 8. तो यहाँ पे all these questions are very similar to the questions which are given in assignment. उसी तरह से if you solve it, you'll get all the answers for this. Okay, but please, if you're copy pasting from anywhere, जो भी है, please at least see कि what values are given as your mean and standard deviation. Please do not make that mistake. If you do this in your exam, totally वो question wrong हो जाएगा, and totally like you will only get 0 marks for that, because it's something like maths and stat. Answer is wrong, that means the whole problem is wrong. यहाँ step marks देने का hardly 1 mark 2 marks for the sake of formulas can be given, otherwise the whole calculation will be marked wrong. Okay, now for D question there is a slightly different question which I have given. Here it is asking if the professor grades on a curve. Okay, assume it as a normal distribution curve. So for example, the professor could give A's to the top 10% of the class. So the top 10% of the class, we know how to calculate 5%. Similarly, you can calculate 10%. So for those 10% of students, the professor is going to give A's. Okay, so is the student better off with a grade of 88 on this exam, or a grade of 68 on a different exam where the mean is 65 and standard deviation is 3? Okay, which means to say that they have given you a grade of 88 having a mean of 72 and standard deviation of 8. Okay, and they are telling that if there is another exam where the grade that or the marks that you have scored is 68, and for that exam the mean is 65 and standard deviation is 3. So if the professor is going to give A's for the top 10%, in which of the grades will it be more like better off for a student to get A? Is it when he gets a score of 88, or is it when he gets a score of 68? Okay, this is how you have to calculate. So यहाँ पे since we're going to do a kind of a comparison between 2 marks, 88 and 68, therefore we have to use Z scores. Okay, so यहाँ पे first calculate the usual calculation that we do, the x value minus the mean value by the standard deviation. So this is for 88. 88 grade का mean है 72, standard deviation है 8. So that is what I've done, 88 minus 72 by 8. You do that, you get 2 as your answer for Z score. After that, if you calculate here, it is 68 minus 65 by 3. Grade is 68, mean is 65, standard deviation is 3. So यहाँ पे answer आ रहा है 1. Now once you get that, calculate using norm.s.dist for this value 2, and here again for 1. So these are the formulas. Okay, the similar manner how we calculated Z scores. You do this. After doing this, you need to compare both these values. किसका value कम है, इसका value कम है. That means a student is better off when he gets a grade of 68 when compared to the grade of 88. So answer has 68 यहाँ पे. So the student is better off when he gets a grade of 68 on a different exam, because this Z score value is lower than the other one. Clear?